Hello guys, I am back with another video. It has been quite some time since I've done one of these. So let's get started. We are right now looking at the infrared satellite imagery of Hurricane Michael. This is the development of it into a category 4 when it made landfall during the day on Wednesday. As you can see it coming up straight from the south, heading northeast. Its current direction is northeast at 21 miles per hour, with maximum sustained winds of around 50 and average sustained winds of about 35 miles an hour. So as you can see, it's in South Carolina right now, approaching North Carolina. And for most of us in the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, we already are seeing rain develop this morning from that storm system. So we're going to look at the current. Here's the closer look at the system here. Now it's not as concentrated, whereas it would be dark red all over the place here on your picture. As you can see, it's just a tropical depression, meaning it's not even a hurricane anymore. Let's see here. This is the current track over here. See if I can. This yellow dot over here is supposed to make its way through there. Okay. So yeah, it's going to be just crossing the Mid-Atlantic tonight, which I'll be giving an in-depth review later in the video. So it is a subtropical system right now, moving northeast. It'll cut, as you can see, it will cut through parts of Tennessee, mainly through North Carolina and southeastern Virginia, and might hit a part of Delaware, and eastern Maryland, and brush by the Jersey Shore later tonight. Let's see if we take an in-depth look here. This is tonight. This is Thursday night, 1 p.m. This is Thursday night, 8 p.m. You see all the heavier rain. The reds here, the yellow and the reds right here. This is the meat of the system as it tracks offshore, moving in this direction, and more like in this general direction. Okay. As it's moving, it is quickly weakening. Remember, it was a category 4 just 24 hours ago to 36 hours ago. Okay, now this weekend it will be turning rather cold. Here, behind the storm system right here is here's like a cold front. Let's see if we can pull up a surface map for you guys. Okay, here's a cold front right here, right along this frontal boundary. Okay, and here's a system right here. It's moving that way. Okay, as it moves offshore, it will bring all this cold air by this high pressure system, move towards the eastern shore here, the eastern states, and it will bring in the cold air. It will move, and by Saturday morning, in most places in the northeast, some places will reach in the upper 30s as their lows, and lower to mid 40s in the morning from around, let's see, I'm going to draw the line, probably around this area. We'll be seeing a lot of 40s on Saturday morning, probably in, let's see, in this circle right here, depending on the area. So just be mindful of that. The sunshine will be peeking through the clouds later tomorrow during the day Friday into the afternoon and evening hours as Michael moves away. And we will have cooler temperatures in the 60s tomorrow on Friday and in the 50s on Saturday. And back in the mid 60s on Sunday for mainly parts of the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic states. Let's see here. Okay, so here is a more detailed view here. This is Michael scooting off the shore. It's right about here. This is Friday afternoon. Right here is Michael. Okay, and see if I can. There we go. There's Michael. There's a low pressure system scooting offshore. Right here, this blue line, this is a cold front. The cold front is actually really back here, but this is the bulk of the cold air back here. It'll be moving its way this way. Okay. And as it does, it will give us cooler temperatures throughout the weekend and into the early days of next week. And we won't be seeing temperatures in the 70s till around Tuesday or Wednesday. So keep that in mind. There'll also be rain returning around Tuesday, but the remainder of your weekend, for the most part, should be mainly dry for the area. So that includes the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay safe out there. Oh, by the way, expected rainfall in this area of the swath here. Okay, I'll show you real quick. Probably 1 to 2 inches, I'm gonna say, east of that red line. Okay, I think back here, west of Pennsylvania, right here, western parts of Pennsylvania, northeast parts of the Northeast up here, most of the Mid-Atlantic. Because remember, we'll see that the bulk of the rain is going to be on the eastern shore, and that's where we're gonna have some flash flood advisories here. And I can't rule out all this flooding around here down in southeastern Virginia. It's mainly around the track of the storm where I had discussed about earlier in the video is where we're going to see the most flooding. Probably about 1 to 2 inches. I think some parts along the shore will be seeing 3+ inches of rain, especially in the low-lying areas. So that's basically the concern. Some areas might be windy as well, and we might have some thunderstorms along the low pressure system as well as it scoots off into Friday morning, scoots off the shore totally on Friday, early hours of Friday morning. So just be mindful of that. And thanks for watching, guys, again, and stay safe.